14 years. Staying at home, doing nothing. But three months only. 6 weeks, in fact. So now I'm calm. I'm good. I'm okay, Tsholofelo. I don't have any anger anymore. If you're not born blind, if you approach this situation and then you become so scared, furious, confused, you know. But since I've met you, I don't have anger anymore. Even I can cook for myself, making bed for myself, cooking for my husband also. And that love comes back again. I thought I was young, just because I was happy. I'm proud. I'm very much proud, and I'm overwhelmed just because I was a stone. Now I'm the rolling one. I'm the rolling stone. I'm going proudly. I don't have a problem.